Did you know the first person to break the sound barrier almost couldn't even close his cockpit door? On October 14, 1947, Chuck Yeager was about to make history, but just days before his dangerous flight, he fell off a horse and broke two ribs. Military doctors would have stopped his mission if they knew, so Yeager kept it secret. The pain was so bad he couldn't lift his right arm. He couldn't even close the cockpit door of his Bell X-1 aircraft, so he asked another pilot to cut off a piece of a broomstick handle. He used it like a lever to pull the door shut. At 43,000 feet in the air, Yeager pushed through incredible pain. His experimental plane could have fallen apart at any moment, but he flew faster than the speed of sound anyway. His brave flight proved that supersonic travel was possible. This discovery led to huge improvements in airplane safety. These advances have prevented countless crashes over the decades. Chuck Yeager's courage that day has helped save millions of lives in commercial aviation.